How to create a playlist on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a playlist on YouTube, first of all tap open the application and then go to your profile by tapping on the profile which is on the bottom right. Then after you will see different options there. Tap on view all on the playlist. Hereby tap on create a new playlist button. After you tap on it, you will be landed to another page from where you can select from various videos to add on your playlist. Once you have added all such videos, tap on next button and then you will have to now give a title to your playlist. Likewise, you can even choose the privacy settings of your playlist. Either it is private or unpublished or private public. Tap on create and your video playlist will be created. Now if you want to add any video to your playlist, go to the home page and scroll down. Tap on the video and then scroll down until you find the save button. Tap on save, select the playlist that you have just created and then the video will be added to your playlist. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.